We need to be paying strong attention to what is happening right now in the crypto market because cryptocurrencies are in a very, very critical area, which means if cryptocurrencies do not recover in this area, this could potentially mean that we could see further drops, and this could potentially put us in a small or short-term bear market. But the likely scenario is, based on history, based on what we understand that is happening in the crypto market, is that we are going to be seeing some green here, that we are going to be seeing a very big bounce. I'm not expecting a very big bounce in the next day or two, but it can happen any second. But what we are expecting is that there's going to be a massive move happening very soon, most likely within 10 days or so. Within 10 days or so, we should have a strong idea of where we are headed. If cryptocurrencies continue to go down, we could be entering into a short-term bear market. But if we do get a huge pump or a bounce here very, very soon, this could trigger the bull market again in a crazy, crazy way. Now, this refers to mostly every single cryptocurrency. But here is the thing, guys. I have some very, very good news for us altcoin holders. So the Bitcoin dominance is at almost historical levels, historical lows. And this is a very, very good thing for altcoin. When Bitcoin dominance, guys, goes low like this, when it's 40%, when Bitcoin dominance is at 40%, this triggers crazy altcoin seasons, which means that all the dog coins, all the meme coins, mostly all of the altcoins, they go absolutely crazy, like Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Ethereum, and so forth. So what we want to do is we want to go into this altcoin season index, and this altcoin season index can let us know when we are soon approaching the altcoin season. We are not there yet, guys. We are not anywhere near the altcoin season. But here's the thing. If Bitcoin continues to go down and down and down, and the Bitcoin dominance continues to go down, and Bitcoin crashes while most of the altcoins hold up or continue to pump, this could trigger the biggest altcoin season we have ever had. Now, remember when Dogecoin and Shiba Inu and a lot of altcoins were pumping earlier this year around May? That was the peak of the altcoin season. What had happened was Bitcoin topped out and Bitcoin traded sideways and consolidated while the altcoins were pumping and going like crazy. And then altcoins would come up here and there and break all-time highs and pump even when the markets were going down. So that's the great thing about altcoin seasons, is it allows us, even when things are bearish for the overall market, especially Bitcoin, it allows opportunities to make lots of money in the altcoins, and it allows these altcoins to pump like crazy. Because when Bitcoin's going down and not a lot of the whales are focusing their money on Bitcoin, it allows them to focus their money. It allows them to focus their attention on these small coins. When you have these massive whales coming together, along with their retail investors like me and you, buying up these altcoins, it sends these altcoins up to the moon. That's why we see Shiba Inu pumps. That's why we see sometimes Dogecoin pumps. And it's going to happen again and again and again. Now, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos that we make every single day. And if you love cryptocurrencies, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you want to get access to the most profitable traders for cryptocurrencies on the internet, join my Patreon right now, where I give you guys constant updates to let you know through technical analysis and through my inside information what's happening in the crypto market. I let you know when to sell. I let you know when to buy. We make profits even when things are down, and I also have other services where you can talk to me on the phone, where I can build you a portfolio and get you diversified on the best cryptocurrencies. And don't forget to get your 2 free stocks from Webull worth up to $2,300. All you have to do is go in my link below and deposit 1 penny using my Webull link. They'll send you 2 free stocks for up to $2,300, where you can buy cryptos with, you can buy stocks with. It's an awesome platform. Go ahead and check it out. But getting back into this video, guys, what we are starting to see here, guys, is that Bitcoin, yes, Bitcoin and a lot of cryptocurrencies were significantly red this morning, as we are seeing by CoinMarketCap.com. Most cryptocurrencies are down 3%, 4%, 2%. XRP, surprisingly, is continuing to go up and up and up, which is a very, very good crypto. But most cryptocurrencies, guys, are red. It is a red day. It is not a gorgeous day. But we have some of the metaverse cryptocurrencies actually significantly green today as well. But the overall market is red because there's a bunch of more FUD coming out, Evergrande FUD, China FUD. There is just FUD out there, guys, and that's what we do. We go to the Crypto Fear and Greed Index to have an understanding of what's actually happening in the market. Now, the fear is getting better, guys. When the number gets higher and higher, the better that is for us. So we are at a 29 right now. Cryptocurrencies start pumping like crazy. when that thing is a 40 or a 50 or a 60. So as long as we are recovering from the extreme fear as we had this previous weekend, that's a very good indicator that we are potentially near a bottom, that maybe we did bottom out, that the crash we had a couple of days ago was the bottom of the crypto market, which is a very good thing to see. So it's very likely, guys, that we did bottom out and that was the lowest point we were going to go to, but we must be very, very careful and understand bearish scenarios. And just based on the charts, guys, it does look like as history continues to play out over and over again, that we will be getting a bounce here very soon, that this should be the area where we should be getting a bounce. But here's the thing, if Bitcoin continues to go down and down and down, it could drag the market with us as well, guys. And we could enter potentially, at least for Bitcoin and some of the main cryptocurrencies, we could potentially enter into a bear market for a month, maybe a couple of months, just like we had in May. And the reason for that is because there's so much FUD happening with inflation, with all of these things which are actually even bullish for cryptocurrencies, but they put a damper on things, guys. They can delay us. They can delay these runs, but it only pushes the bull runs further. It only pushes the bull runs further into next year of 2022. So the worst case scenario is, yes, we could correct more. We could consolidate for some period and then go down again. Or we can consolidate as we are right now, maybe a month, maybe a couple of weeks, and then bounce up here soon. But it's very likely, guys, in the next week, the next couple of weeks, that there's going to be a massive move deciding the whole crypto market. But based on history and where we are at with the whole bull run, the bull cycle for cryptocurrencies, every single time in Bitcoin history and cryptocurrency history, there are certain indicators that need to be hit. There are certain numbers that need to be hit, and we are nowhere near that. And those numbers, those indicators let us know when we are near a cycle top. And guys, the same indicators that have proved to us when we are in a top for cryptocurrency, the whole crypto market, we are nowhere near those top indicators. So that gives me the reason to believe that yes, we could have a correction. We can go down because of all the fear and the FUD out there, but it's very, very likely that Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are going to recover here strongly, hopefully soon, hopefully this month. If it doesn't happen this month, it means that we will be recovering in the first part of 2022, which should be highly, highly likely if we don't recover this month. But me, along with many other investors and traders, we are still very bullish because look, if we take a look at the whole crypto market cap, this is what we are seeing right here, is that we are still in a perfect, healthy uptrend, guys. Here's the bottom, here's the top, here's the bottom, here's the top, here's the bottom. So we are having higher highs and higher lows, and that is an uptrend. So the trend is our friend until the end. And the charts are still normally and healthily bullish, guys. The charts are still bullish, but we must be always aware of the possibilities. Yes, there's bearish possibilities always, and there's bullish possibilities. But just based on the technicals, based on the charts, based on history, based on what's happening right now in the crypto market, who's buying crypto, all these people, all these whales are still buying the dip. We have a higher chance to have a bullish recovery here very soon. But if it doesn't, guys, we could go lower. But I would not imagine it would be a massive crash. If we could go lower 10%, another 15%, another 20%, and then bounce up very, very fast after that, I would imagine. But remember, none of this is financial advice. It's just my own opinion. And let me know in the comments, guys, are you going to be selling? Do you think we're going to be entering into a bear market or a bull market? What do you guys think? Me personally, I am not going to be selling. No, what I will do though, is that if we get any further drops for cryptocurrencies, I will be buying. I will be buying these dips, continue to dollar cost average in this bull cycle, this bull market. And then when cryptocurrencies pump up a lot and very, very fast, Bitcoin's over 100K, that's when I'm going to start to be looking to take profits. When Ethereum is over 10,000, that's when I'm going to be looking to take profits, looking for the top of that market before we enter into another small or condensed bear market at a time if we do. But overall, it's still not a time to be panicking. It's still not a time to be fearful. Yes, we can drop lower, but it's very likely there's a higher chance that we could and should be bouncing up here very, very soon.